Welcome to this deep dive into Charles Schwab Bank. Whether you're new to banking or just curious about Schwab's offerings, this video will guide you through the key details of their terms of service. Let's start with the basics. Charles Schwab Bank is part of the well-known financial firm Charles Schwab and Company. It offers services like high-yield checking accounts, savings accounts, and investment accounts seamlessly integrated with their brokerage services. Advantages: zero account minimums. You don't need a large deposit to open an account, ideal for beginners. No ATM fees worldwide. Schwab reimburses all ATM withdrawal fees, which is perfect for frequent travelers. High-quality customer service. Available 24/7, Schwab support is highly rated. Interest rates on checking. They're high-yield. Checking account offers competitive rates compared to traditional banks. Disadvantages: limited physical locations. Schwab is primarily an online-focused bank, so in-person services are minimal. Investment-driven. Their strongest suit is integration with investment accounts, which may not suit everyone. Foreign exchange fees. While ATM fees are reimbursed, currency exchange rates may apply for international transactions. Services overview. High-yield checking account offers up to 0.4% APY. Savings account. While rates are lower than specialized savings accounts, it provides convenience when linked to Schwab investments. Integration with investments. Seamless transfer between Schwab banking and brokerage accounts. Costs and fees. No monthly maintenance fees. Unlike some banks, Schwab doesn't charge monthly fees for basic accounts. Foreign transaction fees. Expect around 1% on foreign card transactions. No overdraft protection fees. Schwab offers free overdraft protection transfers from linked accounts. Curious about whether Schwab is the right choice for you? Stick around as we explore the fine print of their terms of service and uncover any hidden surprises. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest banking reviews.